welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this hair. It looks so nice. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end if you wanna know how to achieve this hair. And also, you don't actually need to have new hair extensions or braids, because I reused my old Marley braids and I am so impressed. I actually love how it turned out. I decided to reuse my old Marley braids and some old curly hair that I have had for forever, and this is the protective style I had on. As you all know, I actually never touch my hair without making sure it is moisturized, so I just went in with water before I undid those braids that I had and made sure my hair was nicely moisturized. And then I usually section my hair. It is always better to work in sections than to just go in there. So if you can, please try and section your hair. I promise you it will make your work so much easier. And as you can see, I usually don't have like a 360 mirror, so on the back of my head I usually just go in there blind. I never know what's happening there, and actually I have never been disappointed, so I don't know, I'll just continue doing that until I get a mirror. Just so make sure you section your hair. I'm going to repeat. This will even help with the detangling and just everything to do with the braiding process will be so much easier. I wanted huge braids, and as such I used a lot of braids and I was actually impressed. I loved the outcome. So I usually start braiding from the back to the front because that's the most comfortable way I know how to, and it has never failed me. If you're not new here and if this is not your first video of mine that you're watching, you'd already know this. Like, I usually start from the back to the front. I don't know how to do it otherwise. And then after I reach a certain length where I'm comfortable, I just add in the curly hair. But to be honest, I was just going in there improvising. I didn't have an actual plan on where to add the hair, and that's also good too because I actually love how this hair turned out. And I just went ahead and braided it out, and look at that. That is what I was trying to achieve, and let me say, it turned out very, very well. I am so impressed. I cannot complain. So I'm going to show you how to fix the braids. So I had to wait until I had reached the front so that I could show you how to do it properly where you could see. So just make sure to part your hair, but honestly I do not care about clean parts that much. Well, not yet though. I just try to part the hair so that I can use it, and yeah, that's good. Like I said, section the hair. It will help you, I promise you. So I'm going to show you how to fix the braid. So like I had said earlier, I wanted my braids huge because I did not have time to sit there forever. So I went in there. So you take a parting, and that parting you divide it into two. You take your braids like that. So the center part of the braid does not have any of my hair, but the two end parts have hair, and that's how I fix it. I think it is more natural and I actually can't complain. I also try not to braid my edges, and as doing that, the braids won't be painful, and with my edges I just go in later with gel, and that usually gets the job done. That usually gets the job done. I have nothing to complain. As soon as I'm finished braiding my hair, since it's not painful, I am usually able to just go in straight there and start styling without feeling any pain. So I just try to make sure I remove all the edges, because because we do not want alopecia, guys. So don't kill yourself, don't make it extra tight. As long as you love it, that is all that matters. Do not care about what everyone else says, because normally guys would be like, you have to put in the edges to make it look neat, but that is not healthy. Do not braid your edges if you do not have to. Just let them breathe, let them grow. As you can see, I actually do not even have edges. I'm struggling with my edges, so I just try not to touch them. I'll usually go in later with gel, and that usually gets the job done, and then just braid it. And as you can see, that's how I had the curly hair. But don't stress, I'm going to pull it up again closer this time so that you can see exactly how to do it. And I actually loved the length of the braid. I didn't want them extra long, or I didn't have a choice because I was actually reusing old braids. So yeah, overall I'm not gonna complain. It turned out fine, it turned out perfect. I am enjoying this hair. I'm rocking it right now as we speak. Okay, I'm just going to pull up closer to you. Take one parting, and then within that part divide it into two. Take your braid, the center part does not have hair, the end parts have hair, and then just go in and braiding. So as you braid, you have to remember to make it tight, but not too tight, and don't forget to remove the edges. As you can see, I am removing the edges. It's helpful. Like if you do that and any hair that comes out, then that hair was not even to be braided in the first place. So don't be shy to leave your edges out, girls. Don't be shy to leave your edges out, because thank God we now have edge control, and that actually makes your hair look much more neat. So after you reach the length you desire, you can just go in and add the curly hair. And in as much as I was just adding one piece of curly hair, you can add like 3 pieces if you want more of a curly look, or like 2 pieces, whatever pleases you. I mean, if you're doing your own hair, you're the boss, you make the decisions, and as long as you love it, that is all that matters. And if you've watched till this end, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. It's your girl Maria, and I do videos about natural hairstyles, DIY, and protective styling, and just taking care. As you can see, my hair has really grown. I did the big chop last year and I'm impressed. So I went ahead and finished in the last braid, and I'm gonna go in over with the edge control later. But yeah, this is a good look. It's a very good protective style. My ends will be protected, and I'll moisturize it twice a week so that my hair is nicely moisturized. And yeah, this is overall. So the overall look was so amazing. I was so impressed, and thank you for watching till this far. It looks so pretty, and I know it is a perfect protective style for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, if you want to know how to achieve this, it's supposed to be boho braids, goddess look, but yeah. And if you're new here, my name is Maria, and if you're my subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate your support. And like, subscribe, and comment if you like this type of content, because I do videos about my natural hair. And actually I make my hair all the time by myself, so I have a lot of videos, and I have seen a lot of growth, and I am so impressed with this journey. So if you want to grow your hair, or if you want to start doing your hair by yourself, or if you don't like have a lot of money to spend on your hair, you are in the right place, because I actually do DIY products and at-home products, and actually very easily accessible materials. And as you have heard, these braids are not new. I actually recycle them and just say I'm actually impressed. I think like it looks so pretty and I love it. Yeah, so it really looks so nice. So thank you for being here, and I hope you like this video, and do not be afraid to watch my channel. You'll see how much my hair has improved and actually feels so great about it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.